Can Bitcoin reach $7 billion per Bitcoin? Well, Peter Dunworth is predicting that insane value. Before we get into it, could you please Mike Tyson the like and subscribe button? So on What Bitcoin Did podcast, the veteran crypto trader Peter Dunworth said that he believes that Bitcoin can get to $7 billion per coin valuation. His thesis is that there's 6.3 trillion worth of global trading daily, and if you divide 6.3 trillion by the 900 Bitcoin that are minted on these days, you'll get 7 billion a coin. But I think there's a flaw in Peter Dunworth. Okay, what does a $7 billion Bitcoin look like? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the market cap. For the market cap, you're going to be looking at a staggering $147 quadrillion market cap. And so when you look at Peter Dunworth, I do think there's the flaw in there, because when he's looking at the flaw that it's the 900 BTC minted every day, why does the daily trading volume of the global world have to be divided by the new Bitcoin mined every day? Because if you look at that, is the 6.3 trillion worth of global trading daily only new products or new currency that's put into circulation? No, it's probably a lot of that is forex trading with already currency that's existing. So I think that's a huge flaw, that you don't divide it by 900 BTC. You'd probably be looking more at what the circulating supply at BTC is. But anyways, that's his thesis, and I think it's flawed, because I don't know why he's sticking to the ones that are minted that day. I guess he's saying that if people are just hodling and not trading it, but when the volume and price goes up, there's value for someone to trade it and buy stuff with it. So when you look at how much is the Earth worth, this guy is a professor at astronomy, is saying that the Earth is roughly worth $5 quadrillion. And that's probably taking just all sorts of other factors in there, not just with the value on there. And you can see that people are saying, really that there's about 500 trillion, somewhere here in this article it's talking about it, that all the assets in the world, there's about $510 trillion worth of assets. So when you look at how much the world is worth, how much assets there are, so some people are saying that if Bitcoin could get to a $50 trillion market cap, that's something. So 50 trillion is still way up there, because it did get up to 1 trillion. So that's like a 50x from its all-time high, basically. But, so 100x from here, say that's 2032, whatever year. But when you're going to 7 billion a coin, then you're jumping up to 147 quadrillion. Right here, you can see 147 quadrillion divided by 7 billion gives you 21 million. So I think when you factor it in, for whatever reason, maybe he truly believes that. He thinks that is going to, that's math makes sense to him. But to me, it seems pretty outlandish. And basically, who knows? Maybe 100 years in the future, things are looking different. But in the near-term future, even the next 10 or 20 years, that basically seems almost impossible. But hey, I would like to see that. But when you look at, even with hyperinflation, even if, things inflated twice as much so that there's 1 quadrillion, that's still a long ways from what he's saying. So that's my 2 cents. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think a price that Bitcoin could realistically get to in 2030. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.